Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're good wherever you're watching from. Thank you for always coming by. God bless you. How was your Vows Day yesterday? Hope you showed someone love or someone showed you love. Alright, so today let's make some fried noodles with plantain or dodo. If you haven't tried your noodles this way, please go and try this recipe. I promise you, you would love it. Now everything here is self-explanatory. I cooked the noodles al dente, and here I was stir frying the onion, pepper and everything, and then I added the noodles, added the seasoning of the noodles and the chili pepper that came with it, stirred everything. Okay, so you guys know that I don't know how to stir stuff or turn stuff, so please pardon me if you're noticing that. But yeah, this is a non-stick frying pan, so that's why I'm using this wooden spoon to do this. After frying for about a minute, I added the already fried dodo, and then I went in with the diced carrots and green beans. You give everything good combination, and this food would be done in few minutes. So this is the water from the indomie. As I cooked it al dente, I just added a little and I covered it so that it can heat up, and then the flavor of the dodo will be infused into the noodles here. And then I give it the last stir. At this point, this is done, and trust me, it was yummylicious. Just give it a try and let me know if you didn't like it on the comment section. You can, yes, come back to the comment section to tell me. And yeah, sorry, the lights, and in fact, I filmed this without lights. It was just the camera light and little light that was coming in from the kitchen window, because there was NEPA chose to do their miracle by season lights, and I had to do what I needed to do. See you in another video. Bye bye.